Hey guys, it's Shelly from TNS Dogs and Dragonfly Farms. Tonight, we're in the garden and we're going to harvest some yellow squash. Yellow squash, for me, is very interchangeable with zucchini. So tonight, we're going to make some yellow squash nut bread instead of zucchini bread. So, stick with us and we're going to show you what we're doing in the kitchen. Plus, let me show you our squash so you can tell when it's actually ready to pick. As you can see, we have some already ready. How you know it's ready is you can push on it and it'll be a little, it's still solid, but it'll be a little soft to the touch. That's how you know when it's ready. So any bigger than that, it may be a little hard and seedy. All right, so first we're gonna mix all of our wet ingredients. So you are going to need your 6 eggs, your 1/2 cup of melted butter, unsalted, your 1.5 cups of vegetable oil, and just set that aside. Now you're going to need your dry ingredients. So we have 6 cups of flour that we're sifting through. So to your dry ingredients, you're going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder.
Gee, now which one's that? This one? Right?
That's baking soda, but you need 2 tablespoons of that.
Okay, the baking powder, this shit. We're not doing the PG version tonight?
2 of those level.
Okay.
All right. 2 teaspoons of the baking soda that you just had. Level. All right, you're gonna need 3 teaspoons of cinnamon.
3 teaspoons?
Yep, 3 of those.
These are tablespoons.
No, teaspoons.
Tablespoons.
No, teaspoons.
Don't never cook what you want. You said 4?
No, 3.
That's 1, 2, 3.
All right. 1 teaspoon of nutmeg.
Teaspoon?
1 teaspoon.
There.
All right, so you need 2 teaspoons of salt. All right, so to that you're going to add your 1/2 cup of brown sugar and 1.5 cups of sugar.
Diabetes here at Cool.
And you're just going to stir this around so it gets semi-combined.
Heaven forbid we use the damn mixer.
All right, so now that you got the dry ingredients all blended, you're going to blend the wet ingredients in, and here's your favorite part. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons, because I know you, tablespoons of vanilla extract, and stirring that up.
Tablespoons.
Yes.
Hells yeah. The alcohol. So 1, 2, 3.5.
Okay, 2 to 3.
Oh. Okay. Now what?
Your wet ingredients. Stir it all up.
ain't gonna taste the same.
So you're gonna combine all that up. It'll probably be a little bit dry looking.
Probably. Man, if you got a blender, it'd be faster too.
We do have a blender, and it's you.
No, just because
All right, so since you've got this pretty well mixed up, you're going to add your 6 cups of shredded yellow squash.
You sure it's not zucchini?
It's not zucchini. And if you like nuts, you can add them here too at this time. Which we do. So you're just going to mix that all together. All right, so now you're just going to grease your pans. I have the oven already preheated up to 350. And we're just going to dump the batter in each one of these pans.
And cheat when you get a chance. It's easier to use this stuff.
And we're going to cook it between 35 to 45 minutes. You don't want to fill these pans all the way up, because if you do, poof, it overflows when it cooks. All right, so after you get it evenly distributed amongst every baking pan that you have, stick it in the oven, 350 for 35 to 45 minutes. And we're gonna just check it as we go with a fork to make sure it comes out clean. Reason why we make so much is this bread actually freezes really well. Alrighty, so we got it out of the oven. The fork went through, and that's what they look like.